This CNC machine is designed for the production of parts from rod and corrugated fittings with a diameter of 8 to 22 mm, and a dimension of up to 1,800 mm. In this configuration, fragmentary fittings are used. Also, this 2D CNC machine can be optionally equipped with a rebar alignment unit. This model of the machine is equipped with asynchronous motors. At the request of the customer, servo motors are installed, which increases the speed and productivity of the machine by 45%. Specifications of CNC machine. Power 16 kilowatts. Weight 1.5 tons. Voltage 380 volts. The motor power of the bending unit is 7.5 kilowatt plus electromagnetic brake. Hardness of cutting knives 58 to 62 units on the Rockwell scale. Tilt tabletop 10 degrees to the horizon, other layout is possible. Pneumatic metal work. Feeding speed 25 meters per minute, bending speed 270 degrees per second, speed of 1 knife cycle 0.9 seconds. Precision 0.5 millimeters. Ability to make parts from DXF files, optional. Hand control with duplication of basic operations. CNC rack ElectroTorg. Counters of parts, defective parts, weight, length of parts, working hours, etc. Data logging and uploading to the server. Internet access. Control of accidents and non-standard situations. Completeness of the machine. 1 CNC machine. A set of cutting knives for each diameter. A set of pinch rollers, 2 sets. Matrices, mandrels, for bending reinforcement, 1 piece for each diameter of reinforcement. Bending faceplate, 2 pieces. Unwinder, motorized or not, optional. Servo motors optional. Alignment block optional. Edge cutter, thread cutting, welding optional. Operation manual. Passport of the CNC machine.